Every woman hides behind something. Some hide behind silence, others behind smiles. But the strongest shield she holds onto is her pride. And here's the untold truth. She will only love you when you dare to break it. Welcome back to Echoes of Stoicism. Here we uncover the raw psychology of women, love, and the power games nobody else tells you about. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, because what you'll hear today might just change the way you see women forever. 1. Pride is her last defense. Pride in a woman's heart is not born out of arrogance. It's born out of scars. Every woman you meet has gone through disappointments, rejections, betrayals, moments that shook her faith in people. When those wounds cut too deep, she doesn't just walk away with pain, she builds walls. And the strongest of those walls is pride. Think about it. She says things like, "I don't care," or "I don't need anyone." On the surface, it sounds bold, untouchable. But what is she really doing? She's convincing herself that if she acts like she doesn't need love, she won't get hurt by it again. Her pride is her way of pretending she's in control. But here's where most men get fooled. They take her pride at face value. They think, "Oh, she doesn't want me," and they back off. Or they get frustrated thinking she's just arrogant. The truth is, her pride is nothing but a shaky defense mechanism. Behind it is fear, insecurity, and a silent longing for a man strong enough to see through it. Breaking that pride doesn't mean shaming her. It doesn't mean overpowering her. It means standing still when she tries to push you away. It means not being offended when she says she doesn't care, because you know, deep down she does. It means showing her that her pride doesn't scare you, because you're not after her image, you're after her soul. A woman's pride is like a locked door. Many make our saying, and knock once and walk away. The right man doesn't knock. He waits. He stays steady. He shows through his calm presence that the door doesn't need to exist. And slowly that door opens. And when it does, what you find inside is not arrogance at all. It's the most vulnerable version of her. That's the version she will only reveal to the man who refuses to let her pride fool him. 2. Breaking her pride is not about breaking her spirit. Let's clear something up. When I say break her pride, I don't mean crush her confidence or destroy her independence. That's not strength. That's insecurity in disguise. Breaking her pride means peeling away the mask, not cutting out the person behind it. See, women wear pride like armor, and armor is heavy. She pretends it gives her strength, but deep down it's exhausting. The right man doesn't add more weight to her shoulders. He shows her she doesn't need the armor around him. How do you do that? With patience, with presence, with quiet truth. When she says, "I'm fine," but you feel the sadness in her tone, don't accept the lie. When she pulls away to test if you'll chase, don't get angry. Stay calm, stay consistent. She doesn't need a man who gets offended by her walls. She needs one who can handle them. And listen, she's going to test you. Prideful women always do. She'll throw words at you. She'll act like she doesn't need your care. But here's the secret. Tests are not to reject you. They're to see if you're strong enough to pass through the storm. If you collapse under her pride, she'll never respect you. But if you stay grounded, she'll realize you're different. Because most men try to either break her down aggressively or they walk away too easily. You do neither. You hold steady, you show patience, and you never lose your own frame. And that's how her pride begins to crack, not because you forced her, but because you gave her a space where she didn't need to hold it up anymore. 3, challenge her comfort zone. Her pride lives inside her comfort zone. That zone feels safe, predictable, in control. But here's the problem. Safety doesn't equal happiness. A woman who lives only inside her comfort zone is often numb. She feels nothing too deep, nothing too risky, and that's why her love stays shallow. If you want her real love, you can't let her stay trapped there. You must challenge her comfort zone, not by creating chaos, not by starting pointless drama, but by leading her into spaces that scare her just enough to wake her up. Maybe she hides behind excuses. I'm too busy. I don't want to talk about it. You don't let Those excuses slide. You challenge them. You ask her the hard questions. You call her out gently when she's avoiding her truth. You also give her experiences outside her usual patterns. If she always plays safe, show her adventure. If she avoids deep talks, invite her into one. If she hides behind pride, remind her that vulnerability is not weakness, it's courage. This is where many men fail. They think agreeing with everything she says makes her love them. But a woman doesn't love the man who feeds her comfort zone. She loves the man who disrupts it in the right way. When you challenge her comfort, you awaken her. You stir up the emotions she buried under her pride. And that spark, that's the beginning of love. Because a woman doesn't fall in love with safety alone. She falls in love with the man who makes her feel alive. 4. Expose the truth. She hides. Every woman has two versions of herself, the one the world sees and the one she hides. The version she hides is often the most beautiful, but also the most fragile. Her pride exists to protect that hidden truth. And here's the thing. If you never get past her pride, you'll never see the real her. You'll only see the image she wants to show. She'll keep giving you half-truths, polished smiles, and carefully chosen words. But love doesn't live in masks. It lives in truth. Exposing her truth doesn't mean forcing her to confess as everything. It means being the man who notices what others ignore. You notice when her energy shifts, when her eyes dim even though her lips are smiling. You notice when she avoids certain topics. You listen not just to her words, but to her silences. And when you do this consistently, something changes. She realizes she doesn't have to hide with you. She realizes you can handle the messy, unpolished, unfiltered side of her. And once that mask drops, you'll see a woman who is scared, flawed, emotional, but also deeply real. That's the moment she starts to love you. Because love is not about the perfect version she shows the world. Love is about the hidden version she thought no one would ever care for. 5. Earn respect through strength. A woman can be attracted to looks, charm, or sweet words, but respect that comes only from strength. And without respect, she'll never truly love you. Now here's where most men go wrong. They confuse being agreeable with being strong. They think if they say yes to everything, if they avoid conflict, if they bend over backwards, she'll love them more. But the opposite happens. She loses respect. Because deep down, a woman cannot trust a man who doesn't respect himself. Strength doesn't mean aggression. It doesn't mean shouting louder or forcing your way. Strength is calm. It's the ability to stay steady when she tests your patience. It's the ability to hold your boundaries without guilt. It's the ability to say no without fear of losing her. When you show this kind of strength, her pride breaks. Why? Because pride is used to controlling men, but it cannot control a man who is grounded in himself. She realizes you can't be swayed by moods or pride games, and that realization turns into respect. And respect is the soil where real love grows. 6. Rebuilding her trust after pride falls. When you break her pride, you make her vulnerable. And vulnerability is scary. It means she has to trust again. And for many women, trust is the hardest thing to give. She may test you. She may doubt you. She may push you away just to see if you... I'll still stay. This is not to play games. It's her way of asking, can I really trust you with my heart? The answer doesn't come through big promises. It comes through consistency. Show up even when it's inconvenient. Keep your word even in small things. Stay present when she's at her worst, not just when she's at her best. Slowly, each consistent act rebuilds the foundation her pride once guarded. And when she finally feels safe enough to trust, something beautiful happens. Her pride falls, her guard lowers, and her love pours out. Not because you forced it, but because you proved she no longer needs the mask with you. So remember, she won't love you because you feed her pride. She'll love you because you had the strength to break it. Not to destroy her, but to free her. If this message hit you deep, share it with a friend who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unfiltered truths about love and human behavior.